just the name alone, the apex.
Yes.
It's a bold statement.
Apex.
That apex means the top.
Self-explanatory, man.
So
I
how
speak.
so how you really, you feel like somebody you talk about you look down upon other people or you just saying I'm reaching the peak?
I would have never do that. I would have never do that.
Sometimes I feel boastful and sometimes I talk I am who I am.
Me boastful, but me boast with Jah. Me not boast with earthly things. So looking down on anyone, no, I not do that. I never did that before and I would have never do that. I not look down upon nobody. What I say is apex is the highest peak of anything, especially when you're trying to prove a point.
True.
You over what I say? And me have so much things to prove.
Double entendre, point, apex.
You overs. Yes. Me have so much point to prove. Because, as you say, me are one of the most underrated artists. Why? It's because me I do good and them rate me. So, okay then, if me have to go use a whole album to make you see who Bugle is, then me I go to the apex.
Wow.
You overs what I say?
you shoot them with it actually, the point, as I get to the point.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you take a apex to show you that I am the apex, then here you goes.
So the song with Bugle and Tuna Gang.
Yeah.
No, when you a little beanie, I don't listen to the song completely.
You not listen to the song completely?
No, I get a little thing on your Instagram, to be honest. I just say
you're
Instagram part.
out.
But it sound crazy when me hear look at me sound.
Me left on you now have the album up on your phone. Please.
No, I do. I have
You're cheat.
Never hits from my
phone. You're cheat.
No, care,
if you not have Apex album, you're cheat.
Yeah,
if you never hear Thank You Lord yet, you're cheat. But guess what the good thing? So anytime you hear it, it's going to be your devotion.
And then give us a verse. I got something on that. Yes, sir. The first verse.
Oh, the first verse would that be a one verse? Me have another song, you know. So the first verse would actually be Bugle An9ted verse.
Yeah. Or the chorus, I mean.
Thank you, Jah, you rise me in the morning. Oh yes, you keep me sheltered like an awning. You keep my limbs and all my organs and performing. Oh Jah, you're patient with me, keep me warm, you're charming. There goes the rain again. Here comes the sun shining through. What more can I do? Well, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Jah. And I'm so blessed to feel the morning dew. Birds are singing, yes, the sky is blue. What more can I do? I thank you, Lord. Thank you, Jah. Some I worship, some I pray. I do that every day. I bless you every night on the Apex here, sir.
Yardstyle live.